The Quiet Chessboard. In this story, you will hear how waiting can be stronger than chasing, and how one patient woman turned her tiny bookstore into the place every power player in town had to visit. Narrated by storyteller Daniel Kim. Have you ever felt like the world is rushing past you, and the only way to win is to run even faster? Stick around, because this next true-to-life tale shows the opposite house sitting still, and setting the right bait can bring the whole parade to your door. Mara ran the only independent bookstore left in Riverview. It sat on a quiet corner, no flashing signs, no latte bar, just worn wooden floors and the smell of paper. Big chain reps laughed when they passed. They said, "Place is a museum. Customers will come once for nostalgia, then buy online." But Mara noticed something odd. Politicians, startup founders, and even the mayor kept drifting in, asking for recommendations. She never advertised. She never cold called. She simply placed one special book on a small table each week. No price tag. No social media post. Just a handwritten note that read, "For the right reader." Week 1, the book was an out-of-print biography of a forgotten general. A retired colonel spotted it, sat on the tiny stool, and read for an hour. He and Mara chatted about flanking maneuvers. The next day, he returned with 3 city council members who wanted signed copies. Week 3, Mara set out a thin treatise on urban blight. A famous developer arrived, arms crossed, planning to stay 2 minutes. He stayed 2 hours, left with the book, and invited Mara to advise on a riverside project. Word spread faster than any ad campaign. People wanted what they could not simply order with one click. Mara added no extra staff. She expanded no hours. She kept the coffee cheap, the chairs creaky, and the bait changing. One spring evening, the largest bookstore chain sent its regional director, Victor, to scout a buyout. He marched in, confident he would lowball the lonely owner. Mara greeted him from behind the counter, calm, almost amused. Victor sniffed, "Cute shop, shame it can't scale." She smiled, slid a book toward him. "The Art of War, Old Leather Edition." Victor flipped it open and froze. Inside were margin notes from his own chairman, the man who had sent him here. Suddenly, Victor realized he was not evaluating Mara. He was auditioning for her. He cleared his throat, asked terms. Mara leaned back, said, "I don't negotiate, people bring me offers, I decide." Victor went back to headquarters empty-handed, and the story turned legendary. Every mover in the state wanted to meet the woman who made a multinational wait like a schoolboy. Years later, when journalists asked her secret, Mara shrugged. "I just put out the right book, they always come." She never explained the bait, never revealed her sources for those rare editions. She understood the 8th law instinctively. Make other people come to you, use bait if necessary. By staying put, she controlled the room, the terms, and the story. Summary: chasing people exhausts you and gives them the advantage. Set the right bait in your own space, and the world comes knocking, hat in hand. Power belongs to the person who can wait, not the one who can't stop running.